Back again. Video earlier got uploaded. Is the internet out again? Ah, fuck God. Okay, whatever. Just have to. Fuck it. Oh, good. Fuck this apartment, bro. Fuck them all. They're all so bad. Alright. So, where were we? I'm making pasta right now and I'm waiting on the pork sausage to cook and the water to boil. I have time here. Alright, so we're opening the chest. We're saying, okay, how many junk? Junk this. How many valuables this? These are 0. These all value initialized. We need to this is equipment valuables. Alright, so now we need generator. This is opening a chest. Action. Now we need item generation. So depending on what the chest is, so we would pass in probably the chest here for the size and the rarity. So like if we put an epic, then we would pass to the number generator epic. And then the generator would say, oh, okay, for epic equipment, the chance is this. For this, the chance is this, the chance is this. And it would generate rarities. But here, do header file, and we'll just call it items. We need not passing anything, we're just getting a number, so does it make sense to make it inline? I mean, we could, but it wouldn't really help. By making it inline would allow us to do multiple definitions. Could just organize it and keep it somewhere else, so maybe we don't want to have it. Oh. Trying to think if I want to make it in a header file or not. Just include the definition, or we'll just stick to none. We'll just say items. Okay. Or we could call this item generation. Excuse me. Item generation, and then we'll have. Oh, but maybe these need to be together. Hold on. I need to return the number. No, I think this is okay. So we're going to be returning int. Say int random or item or random get random of item. This is the header file, so this is just a for declaration. Anything we want to pass? I don't think so. I'm gonna get number definition. That's fine. And now we'll get item generation. Item generation. Okay. All right. Returning an integer, and the integer is going to be, so we need, in here we need to include main doesn't need random, main doesn't need chrono. Oops, what did I do? Main doesn't need random or chrono. where that is needed is item generation. We stir the sausage. Okay. Sausage has been flipped. Say get random number of item. Need chrono and random. Need random for these guys, and then chrono for steady clock. So we get a mercy twister. We'll make him static. Nine. Don't need a number that. I will say item or random item count. Or we'll say random number. And this seed needs to be the chrono. So we'll do random. Oh, hold on. So we need to static cast. So we need seed. So the seed is going to time converted to whatever fucking type a merchant twister needs to take. Number probably to direct. So we're gonna do static cast to standard merchant twister return or result type. Okay. And what we're passing it is standard chrono, steady clock, time. What is it? Now? Not now. It's time. Clock. On steady clocks. What is it? There's like a fucking word. Steady clock. It's like time since last time. Since. Fuck, I wish I could see all of what's in steady clock. Can I? Bro, why are you doing Bing? Oh my fucking god, dude, the internet is still out? Holy. Okay, I'm so. Alright. Steady clock. Is that it? Seems like that's all it has. All? I don't think. I think I'm going about this the wrong order. Chronos, steady clocks. Oh! Uh, Yeah, that's what it is. It's steady clock. Nope. Steady clock. Time now. Time since last epic now. See, it's in there somewhere. I think it's now. Time since last epic. It's gotta be that. Oh, that's what it is. It is. It's now time count. Stir the shit. Okay. Alright, shit is stirred. Alright. Shit out good. Don't need to search anything. We're cool. Alright. Oh, great. The internet's working. Yeah, that's just great. All right. So we have a Mersenne Twister, and he's static, so the seed will stay. And seeded one time upon the beginning of the program. And then we need to limit the item count. So we could say pass in minimum and maximum item count. So yeah, we'll just say open chest. And then maybe this would probably be in the chest somewhere. So we could say, let's see, open chest. Then determine the item number, which would be by doing get random item. Oh, so this is going to need item generation. So get random number of item. Or it'd be like get chest item. So item generation. So this should be get item in chest, maybe. We have a random number. Then we have to limit it. This would be determined by the chest. So we could say like take the chest. Chest. Okay. Oh, so it'd be chest constants. So we would pass in type of chest. Open chest be rarity. Common. Let's just common, rare, common, uncommon, rare, epic. Each one has a higher minimum, a higher maximum item. So we could say namespace chest items, and then we could have but this would be inline that we want. No, because we only want to access it here, so we could actually make them okay. Static. Oh yeah, we would. We would static. Be a static function. We only want constant already on here, so that's fine. We could do excuse me. Const expression int. We could do separate namespaces, or we could just have them all here. Const expression int. Need a bunch of these, and then it'll be common item min, and let's say it's 1. Common item max, let's say it's 3. And then maybe it seems like there are 8. Say uncommon, please. So there's common, there's uncommon, rare, excuse me, epic, and these should be min, min, min. One to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 5, 4 to 6. Scaling. Items, potential item chest. Then we say item in chest. Hash in rare. We could say if trying to think of how we're setting. We do if statements, if this, else, else. So we could say minimum items. Int minimum or min items. Int max items. Oh, but we're returning number of. Okay, so yeah, and this is for. This is. Let me stir. Cost. Cost. Ow! Fuck! God, this chair. It's got little edges that come up on the side, and if your foot lands on them horizontally, god damn, it hurts. Like on the edge of the foot, bone on hard plastic. No fun. All right. So each time we call it, and then we pass in chest. So we pass in. Okay. So in the game, we specify chest. Specify chest rarity here. So we'll say common. And we can do more of that stuff later. And so open chest will actually take a string view. So if we pass it in that and it takes a string, C style string. If we pass in a literal, it's a C style string. So I think it's actually okay for this to be. C style string will exist in memory somewhere. I think this can be a standard string. I think. Oh, hold on. Open chest. This already has string view because of this. So I think we can say string view. String view chest rarity. Okay, we'll pass in chest rarity. Take chest rarity. And then it'll just pass it along. It seems like we're passing a thing to pass a thing later. We open a chest, and we need to say what rarity the chest is. And when we're opening the chest itself, we need to output what's in there. And in order to output what's in there, we need to spawn the items. So really, there should be a function to set the shit in the object. All open chests will be doing is outputting what's in there. But in this case, I don't have any arrays. I don't have anything stored. There's no object. There's no way for me to set it. I could have a namespace and call it chest, but then there's one chest. I mean, I could have the code here, I guess, and we could set it. Or I could just have it in this function this would basically be the same as like setting it somewhere else instead of just here. So whatever, we'll pass it and then pass it. And I think this is a string view to something, so we should still be able to pass this something so that the item generation can look at this same string view. This, and then we'll call the same shit when we need to, but not yet. All right. Okay. This will take a standard string view. It already has it. Shouldn't already have it, because this is only including chrono and random, but now it has included string view. Now, did that disappear once we when we didn't have it? Surprised at that. Okay. Minimum items, maximum item, and then we'll say create a standard uniform int distribution. Call it item range, item count range. It'll be from min items to max items. T to get random number. C at runtime. Uniform int this number to convert random range. Okay. Limits random number. I don't need to say what it is. Random number limits the random number to chest range. Okay. Then can't we just return item count range of random number? Chest rarity. Where's chest rarity? Is that a name? No, hold on. Oh. Chest rarity isn't just yet. Chest rarity. Okay. Same shit as earlier. Okay. Oh yeah, and then here we need to say we can't do cases because cases for switches can only be integral types that are non-boolean. Then you just do an if. So we'll do if this, set these to this. All right. So we'll say if oh, this needs to be chest rarity. Chest rarity is, oops, this needs to be in if chest rarity is common, else if chest rarity is uncommon, else if chest rarity is low, rare, and lastly, else if chest rarity is epic. Okay, then we'll set min items to get the value of chest items, common item min, max items to be chest items, common item max. Copy these for each. Instead, we're going to uncommon, rare. So this needs to be uncommon, common, uncommon, rare, epic, epic. You stir the shit again. Ooh, errors, errors, errors. All right. Chest items has none because. Oh, wait, hold on. Uncommon? Yo, what you talking about, bro? Namespace chest items. No member of rare. Oh, these are named wrong. Cute. And that issue is only because thing ain't referenced yet, brother. Okay, so this guy needs item generation in order for the action to actually spawn the stuff. The spawning, the item spawning shouldn't happen here. Or item action, the item spawning should happen in a function or like in a class in a member function of the chest objects class. Not here. Because it's not stored. It isn't stored anywhere here. And gives this function too many purposes. I mean, really, it's just opening a chest and doing all the shit involved. It's opening a chest. But at the lower level, it's fucking spawning. It's giving all the numbers of the items. Okay, cool. But it's creating, it's determining the item numbers here. It's spawning them here. It should be open chest, spawn chest items, or on at runtime, spawn chest items, and then just view what's in that chest, and each chest would have an ID. Okay. And this is okay here. There. Hey. this also needs to be like that. Void open chest, and this also needs to be here. Okay. The player sees. Oh, I guess not. Yeah, that's right. Oh wait, hold on. Here we go. Oh wait. No, it should be chest contains. I thought we were in main for a second. Like player sees. Player sees a chest. What does the player do? Okay. You open the chest. Chest open. This is just a test. We don't need this anymore. We open the chest. And the chest has some sort of rarity. The chest would be created before, and then we would just be passing it here instead of fucking even just putting in a constant random. Okay. Saying chest contains this much junk. Here we need to generate items. So get number of get items of type, or get contained items of type. And the problem is this will generate it. So this is random, so this needs to happen once, not every time we open it. Because if we reopen the same chest, there's no way to store the type of chest now, or that exact chest. It'll be a random number each time. So we need a chest rarity. These guys are both 0. And then if it's common, they're common. If it's uncommon, they're uncommon. If it's rare, they're rare. And if they're epic, they're epic. And we get a random, we get a Mercen Twister. It's static, so it the result that it returns, its state stays between calls. So we call it later, then it gives different ones, and later, and it gives different ones. Otherwise, every time we run it, we don't give it a seed, it's going to run the same shit. So we have to seed it at runtime, limit the item count range, and then return it. And here, we say we have to actually spawn the items. Determine number junk count, or number junk items. Equipment value. We'll just say we don't need items. It's redundant. RY, baby. Don't repeat yourself. Chest contain. We'll say item generation. Oops. Item generation. Get random number of item. Chest rarity. Okay. Uh-oh, hold on. Big issues here. Like that. Item generation. Thinking, oh, because the for declaration doesn't have it yet. Okay, that makes sense. Standard string view, chest rarity. No errors. Remove them, please. hold it. Oh yeah, if we don't have a colon here. So if we did a can I just do that? So if we did that, it might be okay. Oh, you fucker. Oh wait, yeah, because we're saying hold it. We aren't doing that yet. Mm-hmm. Unresolved symbol of item generation. Item generation has get items. Oh, that's because the name is different now. We were doing get random number of item, and that's not the right. This is get contained items of type. Or get contained items of type. Get contained items of type. Contained items of type. Please. Oh shit. We just have one error. Memory allocated on the stack. Okay, and apparently it doesn't exist anymore? Okay. But now we're saying open chest. And it's player actions. Open chest. Player sees a chest. So let's say there's a chest first. So we're going to say standard string. Chest 1. And it is. It would be an object, then it would have a thing, and then we would instead pass it a property. But instead, we're just going to chest 1 is literally the common rarity. Boom. Okay. And we're going to pass open chest, chest 1. Fuck. Yes, it does. I just haven't put that in there yet. Standard string. This should be a chest. This should be string view, so we don't have to pass that. So this should be string view chest rarity. This should be string view chest rarity. It already is. Open chest. Uh-oh. Oh, did I not change this yet? Oh yeah. This needs to be a string now. Because otherwise we're passing a string view, we're passing a pointer. We're passing a pointer to a local variable, which is okay for a second here. Well, it's not. We're passing a pointer to a variable, which gets destroyed here, which means when we actually go and look at it and interpret it, we've passed it, cool. Then it's destroyed. Then we go back, and then we see, yo, he doesn't exist. Fuck. Why not? I don't know yet. You stir the fucking pork. I'll just in a sec.